Hello, everyone, and welcome to VA Academy by VAFinders.com. It's me, Jana Aranda, JNRND, and today I'm going to be discussing Digital Marketing 101. So, your first step toward becoming a successful digital marketing virtual assistant. Charot. Anyway, before we begin, just like to explain how my video today will work. This is not a PowerPoint presentation, not a tutorial. Instead, this is sort of like a podcast, very conversational. You can listen while you're working or you're away from your desk. I may be gonna be mentioning some tools today for digital marketers. If you're not at your computer, that's perfectly fine. Simply listen. You can revisit these websites later. So, again, I'm not an expert with digital marketing, but I have a background since I've worked with a digital marketing company for more than 10 years. So, let's start. What is digital marketing? So, let's begin with a simple question. Ano yung digital marketing, guys? So DM is the process of promoting products, services, or businesses through digital channels like website, social media, email, search engine, and online advertising. So years ago, business relied on newspapers, flyers, television, and the radio to reach customers. So today, people spend hours online every day. So businesses market where their customers already are, which is on the internet. So think about your own day. So I'm scrolling through FB or Instagram. I watch videos on YT. I search Google for answers. You receive promotional emails from stores you've shopped before. And all of these are example of digital marketing. The goal is simple: help business reach the right audience, build trust, and syempre, increase sales. Money. What does a digital marketing VA do? So, ano bang ginagawa ng VA? So, your work may include the following. So, hindi ko naman sinasabing ganitong ganito yung gagawin nyo everyday, but sort of. Alright? So, creating social media posts, scheduling content, designing graphics, with Canva, writing captions, blog articles, uploading content to websites, sending email newsletter. You're gonna be learning or monitoring analytics, responding to comments and messages on social media account, assisting SEO team, and then you're gonna learn AdWords, PPC, marami pang iba. So not every client requires all of these tasks. So some only need help with your social media. Pwede kang social media VA. Pag all-in-one ka, digital marketing VA. So depende sa focus. But as you continue learning, you'll discover which area interests you the most. So, and also, kung saan yung mas malaki yung kita. So, let's explore a real digital marketing website. So, if you are near your computer, laptop, cell phone, open browser, punta tayo sa hubspot.com. You don't need to create an account today. Again, simply mag-discuss lang ako ano yung makikita nyo sa loob ng isang website, which is hubspot.com. So, in there, meron dyan products. So, meron din silang marketing hub. So you'll find tools for email marketing, landing pages, social media marketing, automation, analytics, lead generation. So these are the types of tools businesses use every day to attract and convert customers. So some of other popular digital marketing platforms include, again, si Canva, Meta, Google Analytics, Google Ads, MailChimp, WordPress, SEMrush, Buffer, ChatGPT. Kasama na rin siya. So don't worry if these names are unfamiliar today, no? Throughout this academy, you will explore many of these platforms one step at a time, one video at a time. I'll try my best. How do digital marketing VAs earn money? So many beginners think every virtual assistant gets paid by the hour. Oo and hindi, yes and no. May hourly, meron namang tinatawag nating monthly or per project. So, uh, digital marketing offers several ways to earn, no? Again, so you can work hourly, part-time, full-time, may monthly retainer or by project basis. So, yun yung tawag. For example, instead of charging by the hour, you might offer a package that includes creating and scheduling 30 social media posts per month. Pwedeng ganon. And then you could also manage a company's Facebook and Instagram accounts, write blog article, create an email newsletter, perform basic SEO, audit for a fixed project fee. Pwede rin ganon. And then, ano ba yung hourly? Ang tanong, ano ba yung hourly rate? So, sa mga nagsisimula, it may be like $5 to $15. Mas marami ka nang alam, all in one place ka na talaga, syempre, mas malaki. And then, will AI replace digital marketing VAs? Ito na naman yung laging tanong. Mare-replace ba ako ng AI? Again, no. Kasi maraming maraming tools that will help you sa mga task mo as a digital marketing, yung mga AI na yan. So, bilang example. So, ito madalas to. Social media VA, madalas gumamit ng chat GPT. They help generate ideas, create content, gagawa ng draft. Tapos, you can use Canva Magic Design, no? Di-discuss din natin yan. Meron din Adobe Express AI. It suggests layout, create design, remove background. Another one, CapCut AI. Maganda rin to. Automatically generate captions yan ng mga video nyo pag kailangan nyo sa social media clips and improve audio. Another one is MailChimp AI. So, a MailChimp AI, simply, so, minsan gumagawa na yan ng subject lines and then the email content itself. And then for SEO platforms like SEMrush, they use AI-powered features to recommend keywords and analyze competitors. Ito mga dinidiscuss ko, no? So not everything here is free. So meron dito talaga that you'll have to pay for you to use. All right? So ito, balik tayo. Si HubSpot. Si HubSpot AI can help create blogs, marketing emails, landing pages, and customer responses. So these tools, again, will not replace you. These tools make work faster, better. Hindi ko sinasabing best, but pwede. But they don't replace people, no? Kasi people pa rin, oh, kasi we are creative. We build also strategy. We do communication and even small decision making, no? So businesses still need professionals or VAs who understand their audience, review AI generated content, solve problems, and build relationship with the customers. Hindi yun magagawa ng AI. So think of AI as your assistant, not your replacement. So the virtual assistant who learn how to use AI will always have an advantage over those who ignore it. So gamit lang, try. All right. So that's the end of our short video for today. Just an overview of digital marketing. So there, remember, digital marketing isn't just about posting on social media. Okay, so it's about helping businesses connect with people, build trust, and grow. And as a digital marketing VA, you can become an important part of that journey, even sa company. Okay. So in our next video, we'll try to focus on the tools. Iisa-isahin natin yung tools. Unahin natin si Canva. And then let's also explore how businesses use platforms like yung Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok sa mga susunod. So that's siguro mo. Let's try next week. So again, thanks for joining me today. So this has been VA Academy by vafinders.com. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
And if you are watching these in YouTube, I hope you found our video informative and valuable. For more free virtual assistant training tools and resources, visit vafinders.com under VA Academy. And thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you and goodbye.